Hi, it's Said, and today I'll show you how to improve battery life on Samsung Galaxy S20. So first go into the settings, then display. Here you can lower the brightness a little, enable the dark mode. Also you can use the adaptive brightness, although I will disable it. Motion smoothness, select the standard. Then screen timeout shorten to around 1 minute. Then go into the battery and device care. You can optimize the battery right here and go into the battery. Enable the power saving. Here you have the background usage limits. Put unused apps to sleep, enable that. Also scroll from the top and disable every feature you're not currently using, for example, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or a GPS. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.